Okay, haven't made a video in a while, but here are my flowers. They're supposed to be about 4 feet tall. Okay, let's go over here to my tomato plant. Here's a little scraggly one. Getting over to the bigger ones. They've been taking a long time. They finally got blooms on them to get some tomatoes. Hope they're big and juicy. And here's a real big one. Nice. When it got bigger, got a little bit healthier. Got some more flowers over here. I don't think these might be the ones that get 4 feet tall too, but I'm not sure. I don't know what the hell that is. Guess that's a tree. Here's my cat. Kitty. I don't know how this video is gonna be since it's a crappy camera. Shouldn't say that, it might get broke. It might break down. Kitty, what you doing for the camera? You playing? Huh? Kitty. Whoa, what the hell are you jumping for? Meow. Wanna close up? Close up. Ooh, wish I had an HD camera. What you doing? Better go in there and feed them kittens. Let's get some outdoor footage. Well, I'm already outdoors, but that's my trailer. Well, my mom's trailer. Damn, I gotta get back. What the hell? Stupid ass tree. Neighbor's swing set. Let's go around. Man, this thing don't not adjust for light or nothing. Trash can. Air conditioner, which my mom runs 24/7. Just about. Old ass computer boxes. Cases. I don't want to use them. They're all heavy and crappy and shit. Let's go around here. Looks like I can record a lot of video with this 2 GB SD card, but the video's crappy anyway, so who would want to? Why is it adjusting like crap for light? Maybe I should take it off auto exposure. Old ass hobby horse I found in the woods. I put it there so my cat can get up to there, so I don't have to let him in and out. Trash. Who cares? My window. You can see my monitor. Oh, damn, it's off. Kitty.